Most women do not have hair problem, they have scalp problem. That is why oils fail, treatment fail, and expensive shampoos disappoint them. I made a natural cleanser using rice and fenugreek water, adding hibiscus bay leaf and cloves into it. Boil it together. This cleanser does not just washing hair. It wake up with sleeping follicles, strengthening weak roof, and restoring your hair properly. No chemical destroyer. If you want thicker, strong, real hair growing, watch closely and watch to the end. Right now, as you guys can, I soaked my rice and fenugreek last night, and right now I'm going to take the water of it because the water that I'm going to use to make this treatment. Hair loss is not always genetic. It is dryness and inflammation and poor hair care, harsh chemicals. When the scalp is weak, hair cannot stay with moisture. If you put the moisture inside, your hair is not taking it. It means your scalp is not healthy. Your scalp, there is a problem on it. That is why you are experiencing all these things. So for you to solve the problem, you need to watch this video carefully and know what you can do to get treatment, to get your hair therapy shampoo, because this one is the therapy shampoo. Natural, clean, without any harsh chemical, no touch anything concerned about harsh chemical. You are not going to get it from here. And I also have a tips for children also. Please, if you have a child and your child hair she have a thin hair, or her ages is not growing, stay tuned with me because I have a tip for you guys. Okay, I put a handful of hibiscus into my water. That's my rice and fenugreek water. And now my next ingredient I'm adding is bay leaf. I'm adding my bay leaf into it. So these are the things that I'm going to do. What I'm going to boil it together, and I'll also go ahead. I added cloves because this thing I need the cloves. But as I say, I'm going to tell you guys about one is going to come about the children. Now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of cloves into it. So the children one, please stay tuned with me because later I will give you the tips that you can do to make the children cleanser for them, okay, without having any problem. Rice is strengthening hair. Rice water is strengthening hair and improving elasticity to your hair, and adding reducing hair breaking or hair shedding while you are using rice. It's also adding shining to your hair, looking it more stronger and long. It's also helping you to grow your hair very long. So when you check about like people from India and Japanese, those are the things that rice water they always use for their hair, because they know that what rice water can do for them. So please, if you also looking for a thicker healthy hair growing, then you need to watch this thing very closely and pay more attention. And also don't forget, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments below. Or have you ever used this hair cleanser before, cleanser shampoo? Have you ever used this one before? If you use it, how was the experience after using it? Let me know in the comment section. So as I put it in boiling metal, I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes you need to close it. So let us see. And fenugreek water, also fenugreek is also stopping hair shedding and adding thickness to your hair, weak hair. If you have weak hair, you are using fenugreek, it's also going to help you to thicken your hair. If your hair is not taking moisturizer, if you are adding fenugreek, whether you are using fenugreek for fenugreek mask, you are using it to make fenugreek oils, it will help you to get thicker hair, and moisturizer is going to stay in your hair. If you are not incorporating this into your hair, please start incorporating it into your hair. So right now, after I finish, I boil it, I'm going to put it aside and later I will strain it. Well, before you strain it, always make sure to have something that is having some tanning hold, because for me, I always do it 2 times. First, I will use sieve like this to sieve it, but definitely I'm going to use my filter to filter it again, because I want to make sure that there's no any single particles inside. Otherwise, when you put it into your hair, before you are going to wash it, you are going to be suffering. So right now, let's check and see. After fenugreek, let's see hibiscus. So now let's check and see hibiscus. Hibiscus is boosting hair growing and preventing premature gray. It's also improving density to your hair, which is very good. While bay leaf also is stimulating black flows to your hair and strengthening roof your scalp. When they say roof, it means your scalp is strengthening your scalp, so it's very very good. While cloves also is fighting for dandruff and improving blood circulation to your hair. If you have thinning hair, you are using cloves also, it's going to help you to start getting thicker hair. So it's very very important, these ingredients. So it's not going to end there, because after that we are going to mix it with another powerful ingredients. So that's why I ask you guys, please, you need to stay tuned and watch to the end, because every single mistake can run things other way around. So I don't want it that way. So that's why I ask you people to stay tuned and watch it to the end, so that you will know the step that you can take. So my shampoo was not enough for me, so that's why I bring new one to add inside. So after that also, after mixing, put inside like this, you have to be mixing it, because every ingredient that you are going to add inside from now going, you have to make sure that all the ingredients are mixing very well with each other. You don't need to skip any part. So this is very very important part that I'm going to tell you guys. This type of thing is good, but it's good if you know how to do it. Now I'm adding honey inside. Normally I'm just going to add maybe 1.5 tablespoon honey into it. So when you are going to make yours also, you can add 1.5 or 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon. It depends on the quantity that you are making the hair, the shampoo, sorry, the quantity that you are making the shampoo. And the best way also, after doing it this way, is very very important, because like normal shampoo, no matter how you are doing it, your hair build up, it will never clean it very well as you are using cleanser shampoo. So right now, after that also, I have my carrot oil. I'm adding carrot oil inside. Please guys, patronize me. I'm having carrot butter selling. Carrot oil also, you can check my channel to see how I'm infusing my carrot oil. Also, the carrot butter is safe for children and is safe for all the family. So if you are interested, please, you can patronize me. Okay, send me a message. You can check my about section, take my email, send me an email, so that we can talk on the I'll send you my phone number through from the email. So that's it. So right now, I still continue mixing. After adding inside, I'm going to add coconut essential oil inside. That one is just optional, but because I'm adding it inside, because I need benefit, I need extra benefit from this shampoo. That is why I'm adding the coconut essential oil inside. So if you have coconut oil essential oil, you can add inside. If you don't have any essential oil that you have by your hand, you can add less inside. You can add some few drop into it. Okay, but if you don't have at all, don't worry yourself, don't kill yourself, it's enough. This one also is just another fragrance. So I don't know how I'm going to explain that one. I brought it from Take. It's very very good. So I'm just adding also inside to add a little bit fragrance to the things, smell good. Okay, so right now, after put my everything, the next thing that you guys are seeing, I'm mixing my shampoo. I'm mixing all the ingredients to mix very well. Using this thing, guys, to use this thing into your hair, the best way to use it, try to use it 2 times per week. It will be good if you can use it 2 per week. But if you can't use it like that, but at least try every week. I know you are washing your hair every once in a week, right? So before you wash your hair once in a week, try to use this shampoo to wash your hair. Massage it gentle for your scalp. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes only. Okay, you can leave the shampoo while you put inside. Even you can be massaging your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes minimum. 3 to 5 minutes is okay. So after you massage it like that, then you rinse it with like warm water. Okay, and after that, after rinsing it, what you need to do, you can add your, when you come out or you have deep conditioner inside, you put your deep conditioner inside, and after that you will come out with your, add your leave-in conditioner, your butters, to seal the moisture in your hair. It's very, very important. So now let's go to my daughter. Now, if you have a child and you are going to use this cleanser shampoo, this one I'm not going to apply to my daughter, because the one I used before make this one again. That one, when I did it, actually I was applying to my daughter, but I noticed something. It's very, very important when you are growing a child hair. Put more attention to the child. You have to understand the child her hair body language. After putting it inside, immediately I wash the child hair. When we come out, I noticed that my daughter hand is inside her hair. ah I didn't understand, because I just washed the child hair. How come she just put her hand inside her hair, itching it that way? I asked her, she told me that, "Mommy, my hair is itching." So I was still wondering why this thing happening like that, because of the clues. So that's why I told you that before you are going to make this thing for your child, because the child hair is still young, please don't add the cloves inside. Okay, don't add inside, because if you add it inside, after that, when the child hair started itching her, you may get confused. You may not know what you have to do to, for that thing to stop. Actually, the funny or the lucky enough, I was having aloe vera gel. So when it's calm like that, you use aloe vera gel to massage the scalp, to make the scalp get relaxed. Massage aloe vera gel, only the aloe vera gel. If you can massage the whole scalp, fine. If you cannot massage all the scalp, then the parts that you notice that the child is itching, you use the aloe vera gel to do what, to massage her hair. Leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes before take the child back and rinse it out with water. So when you come out also, don't say you are going to put so many products in the child hair again. Just use maybe sweet almond oil or coconut oil, a little bit, just because you don't want the hair to get dry. A small amount, and just use to massage her scalp. Leave it and continue to monitoring her scalp, her reactions, whether she will still itching it or not, so that you will know what to do next. So that's why I'm telling you people, because I was just take everything, control everything very quick, because I noticed that thing very fast. And the problem was, because since when I'm just started her hair, it was fenugreek and flaxseed I was using, and rice. I was not using anything adding inside, because I don't want something that will hurt her scalp. So those three ingredients that I was using for her. But after that, I started adding hibiscus. I added so many things like rosemary, those things. I started adding it small small, and now I said, okay, why not, let me try the, we are almost about that time, that was last year 2025. I said the year is almost getting to an end. Let me add the clothes and see now her hair. When I add the clothes, I noticed that the clothes was not good for her. She was just itching her scalp. So that's why I'm telling you people, don't do it. When you are going to do it for a baby or a child like her age, always make sure that you do patches test, because if my child cannot take it, it can happen your child can take it, no problem. But always make some patches test on the child ear, back of the ear. If it is okay, by 15 minutes you don't see any reaction for the child, then you can apply, you can use that shampoo to clean her scalp. And you yourself also the same thing, as you also can do the same thing. As you guys can see, my daughter, the front hair, we have a problem with her edges, but now we thank God, because the things that I'm doing now, it has make all her scalp recovering. So I'm so happy. I'm very, very grateful for the things that I'm using for my daughter, and I know that it's going to work for you also, but you have to pay more attention, because to grow your child hair is not easy. You have to pay more attention with the reactions, anything that she's doing about the hair. You have to put more attention, because when I started, she can even eat and put the food inside her hair. That's it too. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.